人模松岡里娜近日同太陽文化娛樂老闆洗米華傳緋聞，有傳喺英國嘅 Mandy Liu 知道之後嬲爆。事後洗米華喺報章發聲明，指近日對佢同異性友人嘅報道內容有好多失實啊。今日松岡里娜出席時裝活動，被問到同洗米華嘅緋聞，佢就再三否認。問到兩人係咩關係，佢就堅稱係朋友啦。
Actually, I know him for so long. My first movie was also like his company's movies. Yeah, he's just friends. I can say just friends. Yeah, he's like for me, is like a 大哥哥的。Yeah, I really respect him.
問佢係咪同洗米華一齊去夏威夷參加安以軒嘅婚禮，佢解釋係同女友人一齊去夏威夷，而且係坐女友人嘅私人飛機。喺單親家庭長大嘅松岡里娜，亦提到父母離婚係因為爸爸有外遇，所以媽咪教佢唔好傷害人哋家庭啊。期間松岡舉起3隻手指發誓，表示從來冇搶過人哋老公啊。